Stateroom 3149 on the Celebrity Ascent. As soon as you open the door, you see a beautiful room, a king-size bed with premium linens. The color scheme is a beige, gray, cream, and red. Very beautiful. The artwork matches the bedding. You have a nice dresser, a cooler / refrigerator, and a desk with a vanity that lights up, which is great. It also has a full-size desk chair, which is really nice. So if you're doing your makeup or you're doing anything you need to sit down, if you're working remote, it's very, very nice. The TV looks to be about a 50-inch television. The refrigerator works as a mini bar. Now, there are drinks in the mini bar fridge. I'll show you what it looks like. Looks like some Tito's, some wine, different things in there. Now, I'm sure it's very expensive for those items. So what you can do is let your room steward know you don't want those things in your room, and he'll take them out if you need the space. So don't fret over that issue. Now, next to the bed, on this side, there are 2 USB outlets and a regular power outlet you can use for charging your devices. And this is a closet with the safe and 3 drawers next to the bed. And that looks to be some kind of router. I believe it's for controlling the temperature and everything in your room. This door right here is to the restroom. I'll show you that last. But this is crazy. You can control the temperature and everything, the lighting, everything by an app on your phone, the actual app you use for everything else on board. Now, moving back to the door, this shows you where your muster station is, your emergency exit information that you will need. Same type of thing you will find on any cruise ship. And instead of having something you hang on the door, you can put this magnet on your door to let the room steward know not to disturb you. And a lot of people get crazy with the peephole. They actually have a cover so no one can record through there. Now, looking this way, I showed you the refrigerator, and I'm going to show you these drawers. Watch that. Soft close. What? You have 3 set up just like that with the soft close, which is very nice. Now, they also have a couple bags of chips and some water that you can charge to the room if you want to. This device here is pretty interesting. This box, it's like a power box. There's 2 USB ports right there. And there's 110 volt plugs right here. And then that is like a European adapter. So if you have a European adapter, you can plug that in there, power up more devices. Now, as far as I know, Celebrity hasn't gone to the no multi-plug program like Royal has, but I expect them to. So the TV is about a 50-inch TV. Next to the TV is another wardrobe. This is a double door wardrobe. This one is set up to hang all your clothing. There's 2 rows in here. There's also a little setup right here where you can hang like your laundry bag. That's what I use this for. I assume that's what that's for, but that's what we use it for when we run into those in hotels and in cruise ships. Ample hangers. And then there's also a mirror. Check stuff out. And then I'm turning the beautiful artwork, the red and beige and white color scheme throughout. Absolutely beautiful. And I will show you the restroom. Now the bathroom. Here we go. Okay, here we are in the restroom / bathroom. What you will have it. The first thing you'll notice when you walk in here, keep in mind, guys, this is an interior cabin. Look how big this shower is. You got glass door. And look, it's huge. It's huge. Absolutely huge shower. This is like a residential size shower you would have in your house. Maybe even bigger than in your house. So it comes with shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, which most cruise lines only include the shower gel and a shampoo, and it's usually that real high quality stuff. But I'll let you know what I think about this. I'm gonna tell you, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty nice. Now, there's also the bar down there for the ladies if they're gonna shave their legs in there, put your foot up. Very nice. Here we are, look at this. Body lotion, a vanity set, shower cap. You have your hand soap, a full mirror, 3 shelves, and down here they have an outlet so you can use hair dryers or whatever, and hair shavers, and a waste basket. And there's plenty of room. The toilet's not jammed in at a weird angle or weird spot. Beautiful artwork. It's absolutely beautiful, but it's decorated very nice. Stepping out, always make sure you step up, guys. And it even says on the door, please step it up. You don't be tripping and falling like I did in our first room tour video back in the day. For real. I almost forgot. There's a drawer underneath the sink. Your hair dryer, extra toilet paper, extra Kleenex. There's your Kleenex dispenser. So, pretty cool.